Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how to avoid becoming house poor. Buying a home can feel exciting, and for many people it is a major life goal. However, owning a house should improve your life, not create constant financial pressure. That is why it is important to understand what being house poor really means. House poor happens when too much of your income goes toward housing costs, leaving very little money for savings, bills, emergencies, and daily living. In other words, you may own a home, but you feel financially trapped every month. At first, this problem may not seem obvious. A buyer may look only at the monthly mortgage payment and think the home is affordable. However, there are usually early warning signs. For example, if your budget feels tight every month, if you struggle to save, if you use credit cards for basic expenses, or if you keep delaying repairs and maintenance, these are signs that your housing costs may already be too high. Likewise, if there is no room in your budget for emergencies, that is a serious warning. Because of that, the safest step is to set a realistic budget before buying. A common guide is to keep housing costs around 28% of gross income when possible. Also, total debt payments should stay in a manageable range, often around 36 to 43% depending on your situation. This means you should not choose a home based only on what a lender approves. Instead, buy based on what feels comfortable within your real lifestyle and income. In addition, it is very important to count the full cost of ownership. Many people focus only on the mortgage and forget the other expenses that come with owning a home. These can include property taxes, home insurance, utilities, maintenance and repairs, HOA or strata fees, and even closing and moving costs. So, a home that looks affordable at first can become expensive after these hidden costs are added. At the same time, protecting your cash flow is just as important as choosing the right home. You should keep an emergency fund, leave room for savings and investing, and avoid using all your cash for the down payment. It is also wise to plan for future life changes, because income and expenses can change over time. A home should fit your life, not squeeze it. Moreover, one of the biggest mistakes buyers make is overbuying. Just because you qualify for a larger loan does not mean you should take it. A more affordable home usually means the payment fits your budget better, gives you more room for savings, and creates less financial stress. On the other hand, a stretch home may strain your budget, reduce your savings, and increase financial risk. Therefore, it is smart to test the payment using your real monthly budget and even consider what would happen if one income dropped or expenses rose. Furthermore, there are several smart ways to stay safe. Shop within your true budget, make a realistic monthly spending plan, and get pre-approved but still stay below the maximum limit. Also, save for maintenance, compare loan options carefully, and keep your lifestyle needs in mind. Thinking long-term is very important, because a home decision affects not just today, but many years ahead. So, the key lesson is simple. Lower payment pressure means more freedom, hidden housing costs matter, and buying below your limit helps protect your future. A home should build stability, not financial stress. If you choose carefully, plan honestly, and leave room in your budget, you can enjoy homeownership without becoming house poor. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.